Hello again, rail fans, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm filming one of Amtrak's Dash 8 locomotives in Indianapolis. In the 1990s, Amtrak ordered some new Genesis locomotives from General Electric, but they also ordered 20 Dash 8 locomotives to stand in as the order of Genesis locomotives was delayed. When the Genesis arrived, the Dash 8 was no longer needed and was relegated to switching duties. But to this day, these engines still see service on the mainline, even leading trains, as is the case tonight. That's Amtrak's Cardinal train number 50 from Chicago, but this train is also used to transport rolling stock to the Beech Grove shops on the southeast corner of Indianapolis for maintenance. This rolling stock is carried on the front half of the train. This example clip from 2020 shows how the front half of the train is detached at Union Station and heads down to the Beech Grove shops, while the revenue passenger portion of the train continues on to Cincinnati. Today, the Dash 8 engine is leading the Beech Grove haul, and after detaching from the Cardinal train, it heads down CSX's Shelbyville line to Beech Grove. The equipment on the Beech Grove haul varies greatly, and tonight one of the rail cars is a double-decker surfliner car from California. Now we'll head down to Beech Grove and watch the train pull into the shop. This is the village of Beech Grove, home of the Amtrak maintenance shops. Many interesting locomotives can be found here, including those that haven't been seen on the main line in a long time. A few miles up the track, the train changed directions at a junction and backs into the Beech Grove yard. Eventually, we caught sight of the Dash 8. Here's a fun fact, the Dash 8s were numbered 500 through 519, so this being number 519, it's the last one in the series. Thanks for checking out this video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to leave a thumbs up down below. I'll talk to y'all again soon in more videos to come. I hope y'all have a great day.